How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor K-Force 21 linear mini light bar. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your cable harness here. Now on your cable harness, you'll have your connector, and this is to be used with our optional grand control, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your cig-plug here for power, and then you'll have your backlight cable, and then you'll have your aux line here where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your optional grand control. Now with our grand control box, you'll have your power button, you'll have your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons here, and then you'll have your pattern changer, so you will have dual flash pattern memory. Then you'll have your side takedown button, your aux button, your dim functionality for your light bar, and your backlight button. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the functions. So for example here, I'm using my grand control where I'll have my power button, and then my mode 1 button where I have one flash pattern saved, and my mode 2 where I have a second flash pattern saved, so I have dual flash pattern memory. Then I'll have my pattern changer here where I can use that to change patterns whether I'm in mode 1 or mode 2. Then I'll have my side takedown button here, which will activate my 2 side takedowns in the secondary color ordered of my light bar. So for example here is clear because this is an amber clear light bar. And then you'll have your aux button here. Then you'll have your dim button, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar. And then you'll have your backlight button here, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your switch box. Or you can use your white cable here to hardwire your backlight functionality. Now I did bring an amber clear color example here, but we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. So let's go over a few of those. So for example here, I brought a red-blue color unit, and then in the middle, I brought a green clear, and then on the bottom, I brought an amber clear. But we do offer all of these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. And we do have our customization tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. Now a really cool feature with our multicolor mini bars is you can run your light bar in your multicolor, your primary, or secondary colors by using the built-in flash patterns. So for example here, I brought a red, blue, amber color unit where I'm running a multicolor pattern in mode 1, and then in mode 2, I went ahead and programmed one of the primary color flash patterns. Now this is a red, blue, amber bar, so red, blue is my primary color. Now if I wanted to switch this to my secondary, I'll go ahead and cycle to my secondary color flash patterns, and then that would save in mode 2. And then I still have my multicolor pattern programmed in mode 1. So you have that functionality to program your multicolor, primary, or secondary colors by using the built-in flash patterns in mode 1 or mode 2. And you can do that with our optional grand control, or you can hardwire if you'd like to. When it comes to using our optional grand control, you can activate the red backlight LEDs via your button here, or you can use your white cable to hardwire. Now if you use your white cable to hardwire, your button will become inactive. So you can either use your white cable or the button on your control box. When it comes to mounting your mini bar, you'll have your included magnetic feet here, which are adjustable along the bottom slide track of your light bar. And we also offer our optional headache rack brackets and our optional stud mounts. Now to mount these, you'll remove your magnetic feet and use the existing hardware on your light bar. So that covers our MultiColor K-Force Micro 21 linear mini light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.